My name is Ebrima. I'm a Gambian. I currently live in Italy, Torino. I'm a current graduate from International University College of Torino, together in partnership with University of Torino in comparative law, economics, and finance. So my background is in economics. Um, I used to join this group because this workshop because I believe in climate change, since it has to do with climate change. And of course, I also have the belief that there is a connection between food system, also climate change. But from this workshop, I am looking forward to know the connection, the mechanisms that link these two terms or these two activities together. And as a youth, I believe it is paramount for me to be part of this path and this crusade to make sure that we fight climate change together through food system.